Hello love, welcome to Ichiba. Okay? Yeah, what Ichiba means? Ichiba means a Japanese market. Yan. Okay. We are now here in Japan. In Paranaque. Okay, nakita niyo po dito. Pareho ko yung talagang authentic. Nasa authentic Japanese restaurant. Okay. Okay, that's my beautiful wife, my date for today. Maganda, para may mga rin, tindang parang sa palengke. Yung mga groceries nila, Japanese groceries. Okay, I'll show you later. Okay, let's visit the Ichiba market here in Newport. Okay, dahil pa nung meron ng mamalengke rito, nagkakaroon ng basket. These are authentic Japanese products from Japan. Okay, let's check. What's this? Okay, kailangan natin ng Google Translate. No, hindi natin na kung ano po ito, pero mukha po ito kasin. Paminta. This is pepper. And what's this? Nakikita niyo sa ilalim pala, no? This is toyo with sesame oil, sesame seeds. Okay, this one toyo without sesame seeds. Okay, what's this? Smoke. Okay, para make up. And okay, ito, madaling walaan po ito, no? Salsa ho ito ng mga ketchup. Salsa po ng hot cake. Okay, what's this? Ito, madaling hulaan po ito. Mukha po itong pagkain ng aso. Okay? Nakalagay bulldog, no? So, let's check. Pagkain po ito ng aso. We're not sure. Maybe. And what's this? Lanchon meat. Yan, may nakalagay po English. Okay, Nozaki's Lanchon pork meat. And they have here the Nozaki sausage. Madaling hulaan kasi mayroong picture. But this one, ang hirap po itong translate. Okay, meron timbang na 700 grams, but this is Showa. Showa means boyfriend or girlfriend. Okay, do not touch. Sabi, bawal hawakan. Ano po ba to? Do not touch. Oy! Kape. Okay, this is buy one take one free. Okay, I think this is noodles. The noodles, the one that you put water in the, and then you put it in the fire, so you'll make a soup. Yeah. And this one is, of course, face mask.
Puro ano po yan? Puro kape yan?
Face mask.
Ano, instant lang ba yan? Instant ba? Meron din po. Ito, masarap yun. Instant stick. Ano nga yung masarap dito? Alam mo ba, miss?
Kape Latori.
Try ko lang. Kape latte. Meron din salamat. Nako, ano yan? Keso ba yan?
Keso, mura lang.
31. Mahal din
Mura na, galing Japan. Okay, let's check. Okay, marami pa silang paninda rito. Medyo kailangan konti ng IQ dito dahil hindi nyo alam kung anong laman dahil Japanese po surat, pero ito po mukha po itong ice cream. Dito muna natin, pero parang hindi rin. So kailangan natin ng Google Translate for this one. Uy, puti asawa ko, bilis lumampot oh.
Oo bakit
Nakapili.
ba?
Nakapili agad ah. Ang dami agad na bili ah. Ucha oh. That's my wife. Okay? Oh. She knows what to...
No more thinking, only
No.
buying and buying.
Okay, good. That's nice. I like that. No more thinking. Okay, good. That's it. Okay, let's go. Okay, ito pa yung Ichiba restaurant here in Newport. Resort. Para itong mall, no? Okay, that's it today. Amen.